Jake Aim Inspections. I'm on top of a $700,000 beauty. Needs some love, a little wind damage going on, exposed fasteners, and then like I said, there's always one shiner. Maybe a little bit of hail impact damage going on. This home and roof's only 6 years old, but hail does not care how old your home is. Get routine inspections after every major weather event. Yeah, I don't think it needs replaced, but there's definitely some areas that are going to need some maintenance. A few shingles need to be taken care of. That's a big old hit. Oh, come on now. That's not wind damage. They shouldn't have installed that way. The wind's eating all of those up. Oof.